Now we get to talk all about how to plan for the entire month. This can seem really overwhelming, especially if you're like not into planning things at all. But I promise you will be so happy once you do. So to start, you're going to use the printables that I gave you. Okay? So first thing you're going to do is use the monthly brain dump page, and you're going to write down all the stuff you want to do. Usually I try and do this during my planning week. I really feel that I am able to figure out everything that I need. Sometimes that doesn't always work. So just try and get as much of the ideas and the things that you want to accomplish this month down on the brain dump. Then you need to prioritize. Write down your top 5 projects that you have selected and break up all of those projects into smaller steps that you can do, like easily, okay? Then you are going to put those into your planner based on your week's productivity cycle. So when you're planning, like this is what you're doing. Your due week is when you're going to put, a lot of organize the stuff, do all of this, redecorate the room. All of those things should be during your due week. And then your details are all of those small pieces for your project.